Welcome to our full guide on how to copy a Spotlight link on Snapchat. Let's walk through the simple steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the Spotlight icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it to access your Spotlight content. Step 3. In the Spotlight section, find and tap on the 3 dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen to reveal additional options. Step 4. Within the Options menu, tap on Copy Link to copy the Spotlight link to your device's clipboard. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily copy a Spotlight link on Snapchat and share it with your friends and followers. Start exploring the world of Spotlight content and effortlessly share your favorite snaps with others. Enjoy the convenience of copying links on Snapchat's Spotlight feature today.